Nutan ma'am का education she is become a chartered accountant and having full experience in 6 years experience in CA and investment and insurance in more than a year. Total working experience is 7 years plus achievement in life like in any field. Being a chartered accountant, she is one of the achievement itself. Her hobbies are dance and listening music, and dream in life is to be the best in the field of insurance and investment. So I like to invite Ms. Nutan Jain to give her Parichay.
Good morning, Sampark. Myself, CA Nutan Jain. My spouse name is Shivaji Jain and he is practicing in GST. He's a GST practitioner. And I have one child and her name is Gianna Jain. She is 4-year old. My birthplace is Lodikira. It's a small town from MP. And my date of birth is 1st January 1989. That's why my name is Nutan. And my hobbies are dancing, listening music and traveling a lot. Next. I'm qualified as a chartered accountant. I became chartered accountant in 2019 January and I'm a BCom graduate. It's been 6 plus more years in practice. I completed my articleship from Kamatandurkar Chartered Accountant, where I worked in internal audits, tax audits, VAT audits, and apart from that, I joined C. Bhavik Panjwani Chartered Accountants, then SK Patodia and Associates, Ravindra Lashkare and Associates, and SLN and Associates. There I worked in internal audits of schools, colleges, and like Kamla Nehru College, NPN College, Polytechnic College, and apart from that, VAT audits as well as tax audits. Now, I'm completely not interested in practice. That's why I have joined investments like Motilal, Oswal, and financial services. After that, I'm working with Aditya Birla Capital also. I have a partner office there as well as I have agency there. So my business description is, we are highly qualified, I'm highly qualified and professional, providing the best financial services to our clients, like financial services in equity market, futures, commodity market, currency market, mutual funds, IAP, life insurance, health insurance, child education plans, retirement plans, and children marriage plans. These are my offices. I'm working both the places. In a single day, I have to, up to market hours, I'm with Motilal Oswal, and after that, I'm working with Aditya Birla Capital. Now, what are my goals is to be the best investment and insurance advisor in Central India and provide our clients with the best services possible to give each client maximum possible returns on their investment and to provide safe and secure insurance plans. Treat each and every client with utmost sincerity, honesty, and provide services humbly to understand each and every requirement of their clients and provide consultation accordingly. I have good number of big shot clients in the last 1 year, as I'm it's more than 1 year in the field of investment and insurance, and I'm doing good. As in, it's just a startup you can say, but it's like कि मुझे काफ़ी clients मेरे काफ़ी अच्छे बन रहे हैं, and now as in मैं संपर्क ज्वाइन कर लिया तो उसके कारण मुझे काफ़ी benefit हो रहा है, so that I'm connecting with people and regularly doing meetings. My best 3 clients are the ones who are facing highest problems. Anyone who does not know where to invest their money, anyone who wants to get maximum return possible from their investment, anyone who wants to keep their life financially secured. So thank you so much. Think of investment and insurance, think of CA.